What was the biggest challenge for you, Doc, in terms of adjustment?
One, kasi, diba sabi ko nga, hindi na parang geriatric pregnancy ang tawag nila, diba? Ang tawag nila advanced maternal age. Parang yun na yung tawag nila. So actually, it's a very complicated pregnancy. So talagang all throughout. So medyo, medyo stressful na yon. And then,
wait, Doc, just to clarify, iba pa yung geriatric sa advanced maternal age?
No, hindi. Retire na nila.
Okay. Okay.
Retire na nila ang geriatric pregnancy na term. So it's now called advanced maternal age.
Okay.
So because of that, diba, parang may high risk. Tapos, basta maraming complications. And then up to the birth, may complications. But post-birth, actually, lahat yun prepare ko kasi nabasa ko yan. Sige, ano ba yung rectoimmune disorder? Ano bang cesarean? C-section? Sige, inaral ko lahat yun. Ang hindi ko na-expect, ang hirap pala ng breastfeeding. Doon ako talaga na kasi sabi ko nga, everyone was warning me sa labor, di ba? Yung epidural, yung sakit, yung sabi nila, Ana, hindi ka na matutulog. Paglabas niya, hindi ka na matutulog. Okay, expected ko yon, prepared ako. Ang hindi ako prepared, yung breastfeeding. Kasi di ba sa mga movies, TV shows, pag nagpapakita sila ng breastfeeding, parang ang serene, may glow.
Parang isasalpak lang nila yung bata doon, tas okay na.
Parang akala mo, parang nagsisip lang ng wine, gano'n. Pero hindi, di ba? Yes, ako, wow, brutal.
Oo, medyo brutal nga, Doc. I think that's the perfect term. Siguro it comes easy to others, but to others, it's not as easy as like you said in the movies.
So, naka-empathy talaga ako for that. Kasi di ba ang lakas ng push for, syempre, breastfeeding is best, and it still is the best. And then I realized na, okay, parang we are doing our best. And so, parang kailangan maintindihan din natin kung nahihirapan yung mga moms, diba, sa breastfeeding, or kunyari, I make just enough. Sorry sa, I don't know, bodily fluids, but I produce just enough, but not too much. So I can't even pump. I can't even store. Parang ganon. So my baby's always with me, Pia. Always with me.